Double opt-in is killing your conversion. 70% of the people won't confirm their subscription, meaning you won't be able to email them. And as we know, no emails, no money. So what does double opt-in actually mean? Double opt-in, it means that each subscriber needs to confirm their subscription before they can receive any emails from us. Single opt-in, on the other hand, means that as soon as they have entered their email address, they will start receiving emails from us. What you want to do first is to log into your Klaviyo account. Then you want to click on List and Segments in the left-hand menu. You will choose the list, not a segment. You will choose a list that you want to disable the double opt-in for. And then you want to choose Settings. In Settings, you will get up here on the left side, you will get up different options. You want to click on Consent. Scroll down to the bottom where you see opt-in process. Normally, when you create a new list, it will always have double opt-in on. So what you want to do is to choose single opt-in. You check single opt-in and then you scroll up to the top again and you will click Save up here. And that's it. Super simple. That's all you have to do to turn off double opt-in and go with single opt-in. I recommend that all brands go for single opt-in, except if you're a brand that's struggling with deliverability issues. So maybe you have ended up in the spam box or in the promotion box, then you can consider having double opt-in on just for the subscribers to confirm that they want to actually be a subscriber and that they're not giving a burner email that will right away bounce. If they confirm their double opt-in when you're struggling with deliverability, it will send positive signals to the email providers like Gmail, Hotmail, Outlook, and so on, which is good for your deliverability score. So then you can consider having it, but if you don't have those issues, then I definitely recommend having single opt-in on, as you will be making much more money with that. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're ready to grow your business. Do you want more hacks to scale your business? Get the best processes from Alex Hermosi, Ezra Firestone, and all the best marketers out there in the link in my description below the video. I spend hours every week finding the best checklists, the best AI prompts and guides to automate your business and level up your sales. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.